Let us understand subset sum problem. Subset sum problem is finding a subset of a given set S equal to S1, S2, so on Sn of n positive integer whose sum is equal to a given positive integer d. Let us consider a S set which is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 and d sum equal to 9. So here we are going to provide a solution in such a way that their subset from the set S should be, their sum of subset should be equal to 9. That means you choose certain set of elements from this or all elements whose sum should add up to 9. Of course, some instance of the problem may not have any solution. And before solving any subset sum problem, always sort the set in the ascending order. S1 should be less than or equal to S2 and less than or equal to S3 and so on up till Sn. That means the set of elements should be in the increasing order. Here already I have taken the S set in the increasing order. Let us consider an example S which is equal to 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the sum of the subset should be equal to 15. So let's apply, and to apply or to get a solution we'll construct a state space tree as shown in the figure. Now we'll see how to apply state space tree on this problem. That's why initially the sum here is 0. So you're yet to pick the elements. That's why sum here is 0. Always remember within the node we are representing the sum of elements so far you picked. So initially it is 0. Now I am going to pick the first element, that is 3, and remember, as I told previously, you have to sort these elements in the increasing order, and already these set of elements are in the increasing order. Now I am going to include 3, and what's the sum I am going to get? 3. If I am not going to include 3, that is without 3 I am going to get the sum as 0. Now so far you have picked 3 and 3. Next we'll include 5. So with 5 and without 5, 2 branches for this node. Now if I include 5, so what's the sum? It is 8. So next I will continue in this branch. Then if I include 6 again, what's that? With the 6, without 6, that is 14. With the 6, that is 14. Without 6, this previous sum will be written here. So it is 8. Now always remember, you have to go on attaching the branches until you use all the elements or you get the sum. So now if I try to add 7, what happens? With the 7, it will exceed the sum limit 15. If I don't include the 7, then what happens? Same sum 14 will be carried forward to the next node. That's why I have not shown here without sum. Okay. Then let's try with this branch without 6. As I told, it should be 8. Next with the 7. So with the 7, previous sum is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So you got one solution. Now without 7, same sum. So which 8 will be less than 15. So far you have tried with all the elements. So no more making the branches down. Next, coming to without 5. Without 5, the sum will be same as the previous node. So 3. Now if you include 6, 3 plus 6, that is 9. Now if you include with the 7, that sum 9 plus 7 will be greater than the 15. So you know that if I include without 7, so same sum will be carried forward to the next. It's of no use. So next without 6 if you try, so same sum will be carried, that is 3. Now if I include 7, the sum will be less than the 15. You know that if I include without 7 branch, what happens? The same sum will be carried. That's why for the last one I am not shown the branch. Now without 3, sum is 0. You know that with the 5 if you include, the sum for the 0 plus 5, that will be 5. So now Without 5, what's the sum? That is 0. Now let's try to add 6. With the 6, the sum will be 11. Without 6, sum will be same as the previous node, that is 5. So now if you add 7, that will be more than the desired sum 15. Now if you include here 7, that the sum will be 5 plus 7, 12 will be less than the 15. So you are not going to get a solution from this branch. Next, try here. So here already you have not included, in this branch you have not included 3 and 5. Even if you try to include 6 and 7, the maximum sum you can going to get from these two elements is 13. So which will be definitely less than 15. So you are not going to get a sum from this branch. So that's why I've stopped it here. So this is the complete state space tree of backtracking algorithm. For the instance s equal to 3, 5, 6, 7 and d equal to 15.